What's your take, Catherine? How does this play out in Delaware court?
Yeah, I think I'm going to agree with the respondents. I think ultimately this deal doesn't happen. It's not clear to me why it made sense to begin with. And I understand. Elon Musk is very smart. He took Tesla from a loss-making deal and he's made it a success. He made PayPal a success. Maybe there was a theory he was going to turn around Twitter and, pull something else out of his hat. But apparently he's lost interest. And I think it's time to move on.org.
What does this mean for Twitter? And what would it mean for Tesla?
For Twitter, I think it's been quite disruptive. And I'm almost wondering if they're going to try to get more than the $1 billion. And I think if there was the people who believe in Elon Musk thought, wow, he's going to get involved with Twitter and he's going to turn it into a gold mine. So I think for Twitter, it's not good either way. I think it's been disruptive. I think if there was hope, Twitter shareholders were going to get a lot of money. Now they're not. It's just not good. And I think Twitter's business model is struggling anyway. For Tesla, I think it might be good news because I think it was a distraction. It was a distraction for Tesla shareholders. They want Elon Musk focusing on Tesla, solving the problems, bringing, the wonderful things he's done operationally, supply chain, efficiency, all the great things that make Tesla what it is. So I think it's good news for Tesla.
Tesla has a huge footprint in China, and I'm curious how you think this big visit, Nancy Pelosi going to Taiwan against the wishes of the Chinese government, if there's an impact for Tesla here.
Clearly, there will be an impact because I think China understands the importance of Tesla as an entity. And I think Tesla is in many senses a crown jewel. So if China wanted to retaliate, Tesla would be an easy target. And remember, Tesla has big plans for China. Not only do they produce a lot there, but it was going to be a big market for them. So I think certainly this would keep me up at night if I were on the board of Tesla. But it is what it is. And I think he's going to have to figure out how to move forward.
You wonder if it's keeping up Elon Musk. How dependent do you think Tesla's valuation, SpaceX's valuation is on Musk alone, his cult of personality?
I think currently a lot, because he really does have this fabulous track record. And people look at what he does. He can take anything and turn it into gold. And he's done it. And so he deserves it. He deserves a reputation. But I think a lot of those things can be learned. So I go back to Steve Jobs and Apple. I never thought Apple could make it without Steve Jobs. Guess what? I was wrong. Since 2011, when he died, Apple has beaten the stock market by 1,000%. So there is life after Elon Musk. There's life after all of us. But I don't want to minimize his importance to SpaceX. And I think it's real. I think he really has brought process improvements, efficiency. If you look at the way the cars are manufactured, if you look at the way he's locked up the supply chain for years and years to come with lithium technology. I mean, he's clearly very smart. So he's important.
So does that mean you think Tesla's valuation is fair?
No, I don't think Tesla's valuation is fair. I think Tesla's valuation is overpriced. Yes, I understand Tesla revenues go up 50% a year. If you compare it to Microsoft and Apple, Amazon, those are going up more like in the mid-teens a year, maybe not even that much. So I understand Tesla revenues are going up. But if you look at those other companies, they're trading at 30 times free cash flow. Tesla's trading at 300 times free cash flow. So this is priced for perfection. Nothing can go wrong. Everything has to go right. And I've never seen that happen before. So I think investors ultimately are going to be disappointed. Even if Tesla does everything, every one of its goals it achieves, I don't think investors are going to be happy from here on.